So I'm doing an app review on the app Sofi. So what is Sofi? Overall, it is an investment and savings app. Oh, and before I continue, okay, I really just joined this app. I was invited like last week, and pretty much just for making a deposit of $25, I got an additional $25 out of it. And I guess now they have a different referral program. So I guess if you refer somebody and they open and fund an account, you get $50. I believe you have to fund $50 into an account to get that additional 50 though. But overall, yeah, you get 50 extra dollars. You can invest with it. You can take it out and spend it however you like if you want to, and you get a chance to win 50K out of it too. So I'll put the link in the description for anyone that may be interested. But yeah, overall, I guess you can create your own watch list, and you have a variety of different stocks that you can actually invest in. And then you got to have a list of articles that'll educate you on how to pretty much invest or save your money, basically protect your assets. As far as making money, I guess you can make money by blogging. It'll teach you a little bit of that. It'll give you trip ideas and what to look out for purchasing a house, lifestyle and career advice, financial clarity. You can get student loans, personal loans, home loans, undergrad loans. I don't know what the Sofi money is. I get higher interest accounts with no fees and free ATMs. Oh, so you can get an online bank through Sofi. No no fees or anything. So you're safe on that if you want to take advantage of that. You can trade, you can invest, um, resident refees, MBA student loans, and life insurance, parent student loans, and yeah, you're basically they're the ultimate financial education service, I should say. So they're doing a bit of everything in as far as teaching you how to maximize your income potential and the way that you spend your and protect your assets. So if you feel like this is an app that you would like to take advantage of, feel free to click the link in the description and sign up. And let's see what is this about. What is with the relay? I'm not sure about the relay. I guess you can connect all your accounts in one place to see how you spend your money. And let's see, you can track your spending with create a budget that way. It gives you a bird's eye view of where all your money is going. Money, you can get a debit card through Sofi if you want to. And there's no fees. Easy sign up if you want to open an account. Here's the investment options. So you can make a deposit, create multiple accounts, I'm pretty sure, and you have multiple options as far as what you want to invest in, even ETFs, so you're not just limited to stocks. So if you want to invest in Amazon, you can do that. I'm pretty sure you can invest in just part of a stock if you want. Oh, they have marijuana stocks as well, so you can do a bit of everything, even follow the apps if you like. Actually, I probably should. Overall, for stocks, personally, I use Robinhood for stocks and Webull, which I feel like are additional opportunities that you could use as well. But I like those opportunities just for the pure fact that I have more control over the way I invest. But it seems like you have that same style of control, but considering, oh, you can invest in crypto. I didn't even know about that. You can follow cryptocurrencies, their coins. Actually, it looks like you might have more variety. Can you Okay, I guess you could just watch some of these, but let me make sure and see if I can actually make the purchase. I might have to create an account first, from what I can tell, but yeah, you have the ability to actually follow crypto and probably make the purchase as well. Let me check what Apple. Oh, it shows that I could buy the stocks. It just doesn't say if I could buy crypto or not. That must be a new feature that they just added. But yeah, you can actually compare markets and loans. So you have plenty of opportunities here as far as loans, investments, savings accounts, and education as far as how to actually better spend your money. So if you feel this app is a great app for you, I honestly by seeing all this, I highly recommend it. I mean, it seems a lot better than Robinhood. I like Robinhood for stocks, but you don't have like bank accounts. You can't get life insurance. You can't take out loans for investing or anything, or for college or anything, or for a student if you're a parent. You can't do these things on those apps, but with Sofi, I mean, man, they really set you up for the future. So if you feel like this is a great app you can use, feel free to give it a like. Feel free to comment if you have anything that you would like to say about this app or any questions. Feel free to subscribe to my channel as well. I have a lot of financial opportunities with my channel. So go ahead, take advantage.